Hey everyone, my name is Elsa Montalvo, and I'm going to go over how to find your trainings in your back office. Okay, so you go to login, and you just put your username and password. Here's going to be your back office, right? So you're going to go to trainings right on your sidebar. There's an area that says trainings, and you will have our trainings that are for pre-enrollee videos. These are the videos that actually are when you have a person that pre-enrolls. They have 4 videos. Then you have who we are, MDC products, and MDC compensation. Getting started, and Josh and Jenna Swagel story. Then we also have Josh and Jenna trainings. These are the trainings that they are giving us on Tuesdays. I would like for you guys to go in your back office and go through them, and this will help you understand like the recruiting part, how to get started, the compensation plan, the mindset media training. We also have a compliance training. Compliance training will help you be in compliance on how to promote your products, how to brand your products. Plus product training. Not all the products are there, but most of them of our life travel and Hempworx and the benefits of CBD. Then we go to escape your metrics training. We got a couple of weeks of training there and other videos. Okay, so I hope this helped you see the resources that the training videos are available. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.